Over the last 30 days of running this Google Ads campaign for a client of ours, we have generated 8 bathroom renovation leads at a cost per lead of $178. And our client has already closed 3 jobs, which brought in $43,200 in sales with just $1,400 in ad spend. And in this video case study, I'm going to briefly go over the winning keywords, our negative keywords, the ad itself, and the most important thing, which is the landing page and the offer. And here's are the metrics for this campaign: 62 clicks, 848 impressions, 7.3% CTR, which is click-through rate, average cost per click of $22.93. We spent $1,400. We're using maximize conversion bidding strategy, 12.9% conversion rate, 8 leads, cost per conversion of $177. Here's are the keywords that we're going after. We are focusing on intent-based searches and near-me location-based searches, which are bathroom renovation Dallas, bathroom renovation Houston. So, and then intent-based. So our client didn't want to go after things like bathroom renovation cost, because these are people at the top, middle of the funnel, not ready yet. So he just wanted to put his budget towards just high intent searches. And we also have our negative keyword lists. So negative keyword lists are basically, these are the keywords that you do not want to show up for when somebody searches, like in Google, like a search query. Like let's say somebody's searching cheap bathroom renovation. So you do not want to show up for that keyword unless that's your whole strategy. That's a different story. Or somebody searching for jobs, employment, tips, tricks. We put them in there, so when somebody searches, you don't show up for that, because that's not going to turn into sale. Brands, somebody searching for Home Depot, Lowe's, or any, we search obviously the competitors in your area. I mean the brands in your area, so we can include them, so you don't show up for them. And then we do a search on your competitors. We put them in here as well. So if somebody's searching for a competitor, you don't want to show up because they already know who they're going with. And yeah, that's how we do negative keywords as well. Now, the next most important thing is going to be your ad. This is what people see when they search on Google. This is what comes up, right? So what we do is we just put, whatever you do. First thing, bathroom renovation. So if your ad is bathroom renovation, you want to, bathroom renovation, and then your location, city. This client is London, starting at $10,000, done in 5 days. Now, we tried going with different offers, and this is the best one we came up with. We were running like $2,000 off, which always attracts low quality clients. And the other thing that putting price in your ads does is just gonna filter out people who don't have the budget to even hire you. So if they don't have the $10,000, like the minimum starting at, then they're not going to click on the ad most of the time. And the good thing about Google Ads is you don't get charged until somebody clicks on it. So it's good that you tell people right in the ad that, hey, this is our starting ad price, so that if they don't have the budget for that price, most of the time they're not going to click on it. So it's going to result in better traffic, and yeah, that's about it for the ads. Now, the most important thing, the last part, is going to be your landing page and the offer. Now, the reason we have a landing page is because you don't want to send traffic to your website. That's not a smart move. Your website is not built for conversion. Your website is like just a brochure, right? If you want turn click into sales, you need like a dedicated landing page for each service. And with Google Ads, you want to, if you're running ads for bathroom renovation, if somebody searches on Google bathroom renovation, you want to show an ad for bathroom renovation, and when they click on it, you want to take them to a landing page that talks about bathroom renovation. So being relevant is very important for Google Ads. So this client of ours, it's just going after, we have starting at $10,000, done in 5 days, on time, on budget, fully licensed, detailed estimates. And we have a phone number at the top right here, and the form, because we want to give people options. Some people want to call, some people want to fill out the form. And the thing about the form is, whenever somebody fills out the form, they hit submit, our end client is going to receive an immediate SMS email notification where they can call that lead and book that in-home estimate. Now, this client of ours is, we came up with this kind of, bonus with an urgency. So free tile floor upgrade with every full bathroom renovation, value $750. Offer ends June 7th. Now, one thing you notice about this last part is this date here dynamically changes. So it's always 5 days ahead. Like today is June 2nd and it's showing June 2nd and it's showing June 7th. So it's always a little bit of urgency that this offer is not here forever kind of thing. And then we have, accreditations. So it's important when you come up with a landing page, what we do here is, you want to have the right elements on the landing page, which are your reviews. That's what people care, right? If you do have good reviews, you want to put them right in their face, like on the hero section. You got reviews, you got, any accolades, accreditations, and all that. We have the, the offer bonus here. And yeah, keeping it simple. Right here, we just, talk about a little bit about the company, what they do. We have a picture of the owner. If you have like a selfie video of the owner, just, introducing himself on anything like that, that's going to work better, better for conversions and all that. And here we have the project pictures. You want to have, high quality images here. And this client of ours does like professional photography for his, projects, which is always a good idea. Yeah. And the next section is just what sets you apart. Very simple. Now we have this bar throughout the landing page a couple times so that whenever somebody's, ready to pull the trigger, it's right in front of them. They can either call or click here, fill out the form. You got the reviews here. And then the last part is just the process, what they should expect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, last part, we have again that bar where they can call or fill out the form. And that's about it. Now, if you own a renovation company or a home improvement company and you want us to run this exact, winning campaign for you, we can literally duplicate this, everything for you. We can launch this within, 48 to 72 hours. I'm going to put a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me. We hop on a phone call, see, where you're at, where you're trying to go, if we can even help you, if this is the right fit. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.